Hello everyone. It's Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Happy Tuesday. We have some Tiny Tuesdays to get into here and some freebies. But before we do that, we have the giveaway announcements. So roll the giveaway. Okay, so congrats to everyone who won the little giveaway. I will be, well, first of all, if you guys won, please reach out to me and let me know, where I can send your scratch off, and if there's a particular name that you would like on your scratch off, if it's not immediately obvious from like your channel like name, that would be most helpful. And yeah, I'm excited to send those out to y'all. I am waiting on the little scratch off stickers to come in the mail. It's been such an ordeal. I've had one order that just never showed up, and then I ordered more and got them sent priority mail, which was like super expensive, and they were supposed to get here today. They have not shown up, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I will get those made as soon as I can and send those out to you. And so let's jump into this video today, guys. We have a couple of tinies here to showcase. And this first one is this cute little St. Patrick's Day Gnomes from Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. And then we have these self-care, like mental health kind of vibe from Faith Hope Budgeting. So these were the two tinies that I found this week to share with y'all. All right, I have been surviving on Sprite and wishes. That is basically it. But guys, I am starting to feel better. I know I don't sound like it, but I do feel like I have more energy today. I actually went to work today, and I got some of my dishes done because like literally all my dishes were just piled up in the sink. I had no plates or bowls left. And yeah, but I still don't feel very like well enough to like, I just don't have a huge appetite yet. So we're still in our healing phase, but oh, I guess I need one more challenge. So let's grab one of these guys. So many challenges here today. If you did not see all these little tinies, in my previous videos, I went through all of these ones. So go check those out. All right, we are gonna use this one by She's Simply Joyful. And let's see what we can do today. I think I have $28. I used $2 for the kids in my neighborhood. They will come by every so often and ask if they can take out my trash for like $2. So I usually say yes unless I don't have any cash. But these days I have a lot of cash because I'm doing cash budgeting. But that's why we have the random amount today, 28. And I have 2 5s here, so we'll see how we do with buyback 5s. Let's get started. Number 6. Number 6 again. Number 2. Number 6. Number 5. Number 2. Number 5. So I am feeling like I will be able to get some stuff done tonight. I have a school project that I need to work on, which is like the least motivating thing ever, but it needs to happen. What do you guys do when you're just not motivated to do something? I usually have to trick my brain somehow into being motivated. So sometimes I pretend that I'm a different person, like I'm a fancy like corporate office girly, and I'm like, I gotta type up this document. It's so silly. It's so dumb. But that's what I have to do. I don't think any of these got $5. What are we gonna do? Wait. Okay, hold on. We are going to, no, I don't know what to do, y'all. Okay, we're gonna grab this one from here, and we're gonna do 5 here. And I'm just gonna try to remember that this only needs 4. I don't know. Let's see. Oh no, I messed it up. I don't know what I rolled, guys. I'm so sorry. This is a bit chaotic. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. All right, perfect. We don't have to cheat to get these extra 5 ones. 6. 6 again. We might finish that challenge today, and we just started it. Okay, there we go. So, what has been going on with you guys this week? I hope everyone is staying happy and healthy. I had kind of a rough day, honestly, at work. So I was excited to come home and film and get to talk to you guys about some stuff. And I don't know, I feel like this is my happy place right now. So, okay, so each one of these is 2. So we are gonna fill in this. And, oh gosh, I guess okay, so we had 4. This is gonna blow my mind. I'm not sure what to do now. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so we need 10 in here. That's how I'm gonna do it. I'm not sure if that math adds up, but like, that's what we're gonna do, and we're not gonna worry about it too much. All right, I'm gonna sub this out for this 10 that I had. There we go. Perfect. So, what is this going towards? I don't know yet. I will decide later. And this is going into our finished challenges bag. And we are going to be reallocating this soon. So exciting. Okay, next challenge. Got 1, 2, 3. Oh, and we needed 3 to finish. Look at that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab this other 10 that I had right here. Y'all, I know that I still sound sick, but I'm feeling like a whole new woman today. It's amazing what, you take for granted when you're not sick. And I was just so glad that I was able to have the energy to go into work and to be with my kiddos, my students, and to get some stuff done around the house. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, oh, sorry. These last two challenges were by Canadian Finance Journey. So the other Easter one and this one. The first one was my collab with Vicky Thinks. The little butterfly one. All right, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this one is also part of the collab with Vicky. And this got 1, 2, 3, 4. I could have sworn I organized these before I started, guys. $4. Okay, so I'm going to fill in 2 of these. All right, so that has 5 now. Dum, da, dum. All right, this one got 6. Lovely. Little Penguins by Bookish Mama Budgets. And I don't, last time I checked, I could no longer see this in her Ko-fi shop. But she has a lot of other freebies, so check her out. Check out her channel. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. And we are close to finishing that one. And then this is our new one by She's Simply Joyful, a little sloth, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do a bright pink. They're so happy. What did I say? 7, 2. I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. Oh, goodness. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, y'all. We had one more left to finish this. Oh dear. So you know what we're gonna do? I think we're gonna grab one of these guys and put it in here, and we're gonna, man, that was a quick one, and it's a little sad because this challenge is so cute. But we have other cute challenges too, so we'll be okay. All right, while I'm at it, I'm gonna change out these ones for a 5 because I did not have enough ones. 3, 4, 5, and I have my Freebie Friday video coming up, so I'm always trying to make change, get enough ones. All right, there we go. And this one is going into our finished challenges. I've been so bad at deciding which sinking funds to put these challenges towards recently, but I also kind of am reworking my methods because at the end of the year I couldn't stuff a ton into my regular envelopes just because of the way my teacher salary works. It was kind of getting tight at the end with the holidays and all of that. So I'm kind of reorganizing since this will be more regular pay for me coming up. And yeah, so we'll figure it out, but stay tuned for the reallocation video coming soon, hopefully. Okay, and so we have, what did we finish? 3 challenges today? Ooh, so exciting. Okay, so 3 challenges finished, and we have made really good progress on these. So we will pick 3 new challenges for next week and start off February pretty strong here with a few challenges already well on their way to being done. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you won the giveaway, please remember to email me. My email is it in my description? I don't know, but if it isn't, I will put it there. And not my description, but well, I'll put it in the description. That's fine. So email me with your address and the name that you want on your challenge. And I'm so excited to send those out to you. If you are new here and you have not yet said hi, please say hi. I would love to say hi to you and get to know you. And other than that, guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!